Hi and welcome to this video, which will show you just how easy it is to start a conversation with one of our team. So I will explain these four icons at the bottom. So you've got chat, you've got notifications, and you've got profile. So profile is obviously your details. If you want to update something on the profile, you would do it in here. It's very easy. You just tap and delete and then type in what you need to type in. And then notifications is anything we need to send to you. So if your tax return is late or getting late, we'll start sending you notifications that you need to file it. Or if there's an update in legislation or something that's relevant to you, then we would be in touch to let you know with that. The home button, obviously, we've been through before. Very simple, you just press the home button, it takes you back here. And the chat function, which is what I want to show you here now. So if you have an issue with the app, or if you have an issue, a tax issue or something, you can get in touch with our team, no problem at all. So you would just type a message saying, I have an issue. Send it through. That pops up with us. And we would reply, what can we do for you? And then we'd send that back and it pops up instantly. And then you would explain what it is you need. If you needed to show us a picture of something, you could click on document or image and then select the image and send that, and it would come through for us. And the same thing works in the opposite direction as well. So if we needed to send you something, we would go into our side of things, we'd click and say, here it is. And then that would come through here, and that's it. And then it's just a case of clicking on that and using whichever app you've got that's going to open that up. In this case, it would be Microsoft Excel, and because this is a spreadsheet, but it could be a picture, it could be a PDF, it could be many things. So that's a chat function. If you want to get rid of that and get back to home, it's there. Your chat function will be saved, so next time you go in there, if there's any sheets that we've sent you that you've lost, they will still be there. And your notifications, your profile, and always back to home there. And that is that. Any questions, get in touch. Someone will get back to you pretty much straight away. And hope you enjoyed these videos. Thank you very much.